Stuck with no internet and weird jargon? Here's how to crush that DHCP drama in less than a minute. Step 1. Open your network and internet settings. Head to Advanced Network Settings, then More Network Adapter Options. Right-click your adapter, hit Properties, and double-check that Internet Protocol version 4 is set to obtain IP address automatically. Save and close. Next, type services.msc in Run, find DHCP client, and restart it. If it's stopped, start it, and set it to automatic. Still stuck? Crack open Command Prompt as admin and punch in these commands: netch int IP reset, netch winsock reset, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flushdns. Now check your cables or Wi-Fi adapter. Sometimes it's just a loose plug. Update your network drivers from Device Manager too. If all else fails, reboot your router and double-check its DHCP settings. Need a last resort? Try disabling IPv6. Congrats, your network should be back. If not, well, at least you're one step closer to IT Pro status.